Hey again, just a quickie here while I'm waiting for something else to cure. This will be on another video. I've been getting asked to show again the water ripple butterfly mould from IntoResin that I showed quite quickly on a big video showing all of the new moulds I've been sent recently. So yeah, your wish is my command. Let's have another go at this little butterfly because it is rather special. People said, what if I put a bit more of the offshore blue in it without the purple? Okay, we can do that. See, I do requests. Sometimes it takes me a while to get to them, depending on what they are. I do my best. So, colour is offshore blue. Going to mix it in properly. This is what people were asking me to do, rather than leave it with a bit of a swirl in it, because it's a shimmery pearl one. If you mix a lot of the colour, it'll go completely opaque. But this I think is what people were wanting me to do, so there we are. I'll put you the links for everything down below, by the way. The colour is from Create and Bloom, the resin is from Apex, and the mould, of course, is from IntoResin. I have got discount codes on some stuff, and it's a whopping 20% on the IntoResin moulds, as I'm an ambassador for them, so help yourself. Discount codes will be down in the video description below. There's also a discount code on the Apex resin. And it's just Apex High Gloss I'm using. I say just because it's kind of my go-to one that I use for a lot of things. If you're only going to get one resin, it's the one I suggest because it's quite forgiving and you can use it for a lot of different things. Okay, just making sure I haven't got any bubbles trapped under the edges, because I think I did a little bit last time. So we're just going to do a bit of pulling it backwards like this is a good tip. It releases bubbles that are stuck down underneath. Doesn't look like I've got many anyway, but there you go. So I'm just doing that before I top it up carefully for its final layer. And that's it. We're just going to have a good look at this. I've got a nice sunny day here. Let's hope it stays, so that by the time we demould this, you'll be able to see what I think people were asking me for. I think on my last video it didn't really, because I was whizzing through so many of them, yeah, people wanted a little bit more time to take it in, let's say. So there we are. I'm going to tip that last little bit of resin in something. What shall we have? Shall we have? I know, as we've got IntoResin butterflies on the go, let's have this one. You can see how much this mould's been used. I have overused this like crazy. I must have had several hundred butterflies off this. And bows, obviously. Now, there's a butterfly here that I didn't quite fill up with the clear, so that I'd got a bit left over from before. So let's put a little bit of blue in that as well to top that up, and I'll see you for the demoulds. We'll have a look at we'll have an assortment of IntoResin butterfly moulds for your perusal. And I hope that'll answer what I was being asked for, so that people could have a closer look at particularly this new one. So, see you later then, folks. And so, yes, I demoulded this, having forgotten to press record. I just bended it backwards like that, then grabbed the middle and pulled. And this is what we've got. You can really see the water ripple effect in there, can't you? Isn't he gorgeous? So that slight shimmer I put in the colour, that was definitely the way to go. So thank you to those who requested that I did a short video just on this little mould. I'll do some nice photos of it outside in the sun for you, and I hope it's answered your questions. Now, YouTube thinks you might like this video next, so enjoy, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.